We are reading Science Spotlight book and here is the chapter 6 for preschool kids. It is about seeds. S-E-E-D-S seeds. Double E, E and E is a digraph which makes the sound of long E. You can see my digraph video for this. So, this fruit is apple. These are the apple seeds. These are of dark brown colors. This has a resemblance with watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are black, but the shape of these seeds are same like apple seeds. It has so many seeds in it. Other one is mango seed. Mango has only one long seed inside. This is orange seed. It has resemblance with a lemon seed. It is of white color. Orange also had many of the seeds inside. These are papaya seeds. These are of black colors. It has a little bit of round shape and there are plenty of seeds in the papaya seeds. These are cherry seeds. Cherry has only one seed inside, which is of light skin color. This is plum seed. It is a little bit big with the as compared to cherry seed. And the last one is peach seed. It is of dark brown color and had a beautiful stencil on it. Here is an assessment. Circle the fruit that have one seed inside. So, mango has one seed and orange, no, orange has plenty of seeds inside. Peach has one seed. Papaya, no, papaya also has many of seeds. Plum has one seed. Apple has many of seeds. Cherry has one seed. So, which fruits have one seed? Mango, peach, plum and cherry. See this again. Mango has one seed. Cherry has one seed. Plum has one seed and peach has one seed.